That's a murder.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah, where's the skull bones? Is skull bones gonna be in this one?
This is way different animation. Why the fuck do you look like that?
What do I look? What do you look like, bro? You look like a fucking. Okay.
When you hover over them, it'll tell you what they do.
It's not telling me anything, but I just opened something.
Yeah, you gotta like place them on the slots. Like you gotta click in the box and then place it next to it. There you go.
Okay.
So that steals one of mine. That saws the bearer off and it does double damage.
Oh yeah.
There's one blank and one live.
Okay, I'm good.
Oh, you get to go first.
Adrenaline stealing item using.
Oh.
Alright. Alright, we're off to a good start. We're off to a good start. I thought my game crashed because it went full on black screen.
I want to hear it.
You're to me first.
The only reason why you didn't get to shoot me is you had a blank.
Well,
Lucky
that
luck.
is
Oh. Oh. Horny. Natty.
Oh yeah.
Saw off the barrel and shoot him.
Not quite yet, honey boo boo.
I'm pretty sure Jared's next turn still gets skipped.
How many lives do you have, Garrett?
He won't die to it. Wait. I might have been wrong.
Oh my god. Garrett, I promise I only did that because... Oh my god. Garrett, you stupid fucking pussy. Holy shit.
Ammo boy left.
Oh my god. You know, if you would fucking hear me out, I would have said I only did that because you said he wouldn't die.
Dude, I didn't know he was gonna. I thought, like, as you pulled the trigger, I remembered that he only had 2 left.
What a fucking crybaby. Oh my god.
Hey, I don't know where he is.
Deceased in the land of the dead, in heaven.
Where's his body at? You gotta be kidding me! I'm just gonna... Yeah. I'm just gonna...
Maybe don't go.
I'm just gonna...
Maybe don't go in that room. He fucking Devin.
One more.
Someone start moving El Padrino again.
Can we just
Sammy 7939 moved to Lagoons. Sammy 7939 moved to Yapsesh. Sammy 7939 moved to Lagoons. Sammy 7939 moved to Yapsesh.
Hold on, guys. If we
Sammy
all do it,
7939 moved to Lagoons.
I about had
Sammy
enough of this
7939
Morse code
moved to Yapsesh.
fucking goddamn conversation strategy.
Left. Join.
Dude,
Left.
I about had enough. I about had
Sammy
enough.
7930.
Yeah.
Dude, hit it, settings, audio, and make sure it's all right. Oh, voice volume. Here, talk in game.
Yo.
Oh, I can fucking hear you guys. I just had my voice volume down. My bad.
What idiot?
That's that. Yeah.
Are you
I ain't
kidding
gonna
me?
lie. That's on me, guys.
So you can hear me in game.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Can
Boo, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Ian. I can hear you both.
Boo!
Stop fucking screaming.
Boo, you hear me?
Shit.
You hear me?
Yes, I can hear all of you.
Okay, you should have said that way sooner, dude. I stressed.
Skank.
Yo, we need to lock in. Let's get out of here. Come on. Oh, there's the ship.
Dude, does that? Yo, look at this, Ian. Look at this.
What?
Does that spaz out for you?
No.
Oh, dude, I turned on my auto clicker, so for me it's bugging.
How did he get back up here, dude?
Dude,
How did he get?
You spawned him.
Fuck, motherfucking teleport.
Chat.
No way Davis just
Chat,
messaged
what
me.
is it? Chat, I'm gonna get my kids. Hey! What are you
Dude,
Oh my god.
I fucking bobbed instead of weaved and I died. Guys.
What?
Oh
my god, he just came in.
I'm bobbing and weaving!
We need to see how it happened. How this happened.
Oh, he got him, dude! He fucking ate him! Holy shit! Holy shit!
I got my balls stuck in the fucking hairdryer.
We're missing. Hey, fat ass!
Second monster. Where's the cheeseburger?
We lost it.
Dude, should we go help him?
Where is he?
Come here, come here. Should we go help him?
Oh shit. Where does that go? Only one way to find
You
out.
guys at?
We're coming! Alright, dude. Operation saved them both. I think Hunter fucking died.
Yeah, he lost. He had the cheeseburger.
Fuck, dude. Of course. He was like a maze.
Where did he go?
I don't know, dude.
Can he not just sit still for like 2 seconds?
Is this him? No, it's a fucking flashlight.
It's the shitty ass modern flashlight. Where you guys at?
Dude, come. We're in the basement now. We dropped down to the basement for you. Dude, is he still stuck?
He's still back up there.
Alright. We can help him.
And yeah, and the guy was up there too.
What's that noise?
Yeah, what is that? I'm stuck. Help.
Dude, I think I genuinely pissed my pants. You alive? Are you living? Oh my god, where's my friend? Oh, thank god he's just... Get up. It should be right underneath you. Dude, come this way.
I'm lost. Okay, here. I'm behind you.
How the fuck did you get back there? Dude, come this way.
Did a little run. He's coming.
Oh! Fuck! Oh, shit!
He needs to get out of there.
Yeah.
Not okay.
Dude,
He's dead.
I'm dead. Oh, did you?
He's dead.
I pressed the button thinking it was gonna save us, but I think it killed us both. Dude,
I saw.
Are you guys alive?
He needs to get out of the cup.
He's being a pussy.
Fuck out of the way! Chat, hold on, we're having technical. If you don't back up with that boom mic, I'm gonna beat you up. Chat, we found a spine. I hit him in the head with the boom mic. Chat, hey, you like your cheeseburger, sir?
Cheeseburger!
He stole my friend! Give me my friend back! What is that? What the fuck? Oh my sweet bippy chat. It's a mashed tater maker. He's coming for me. Chat. I'm hiding in this teacup right now. That's my butt. Hey, I think all my friends are dead. I'm terrified. Oh my god, he's back for more. Oh my god, chat. Everything's here to eat me. Alright, chat, 30-minute check-in. As y'all can see, I'm still in the solitude of my teacup. And all my friends are dead. Push me to the head. Oh my god, chat. What is that? Hey, you can't get me in here. I am not scared of you. I ain't gonna lie, chat, we're running. We're making a break for it. No! He's eating me! It's over, chat. It's over. He's dragging me to
Black.
What is this?
Dude, we're in hell.
Where'd you go?
Is this him? Is this him?
Like a flying
Face full of
spider.
cum.
What was that?
Guys, we're... Run, 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 run.
Oh! We run it down, niggas. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Oh my god, what is it?
Run! Run!
Oh my dead. I'm so dead. Oh, la 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 la. I'm going.
You gotta get some footage! You gotta get some fucking
I'll get
footage!
some footage, you fucking fatty.
This is too scary for me, man.
Someone give me the damn camera! Give me the damn camera!
No,
Yeah, you suck. I'm not gonna lie.
it's the hamster man. Get your
Just
feeling down,
myself.
Mr. Krabs. This motherfucker's crip walking.
Oh
What's up,
shit,
Diggy?
shit. Oh my god,
It's Diddy, go run. Run.
It's Diddy, we going.
I'm out of
Wait,
steam!
what percentage of... What percent... I'm gonna get it! Come here, dude!
Wait, come here.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ooh, big rocks.
Oh my god, he just came everywhere.
Oh!
He came in my face!
I totally am. I wanted my fucking rim job.
Look up, look up.
Right here.
Are you blind?
Oh my god.
What? Pop it.
Not.
The way he fucking... What did he buy? He spent
I got a mic!
What the hell is that?
Is that Bulbasaur?
It's fucking chunk.
Sir, what's your opinion on climate change?
What? Oh, what the?
Holy shit, Hunter! Why is it fucking on fire?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Bob and weave, dude. There's monsters in here. Oh, dude, where'd that thing? Oh my god.
There you are, there you are.
Dude, what is that fucking thing?
Dude, what to do with the mic go?
What was that?
Dude.
Oh,
Oh, holy shit! You're fine, you're fine, fucking. Oh! Oh!
shit!
Dude!
Cinematic! I wish we had the camera. That'd have been so many.
Run, boys. It was quiet.
Oh my god, chat, look at that! Somebody left their femur on the ground.
The fuck?
Man, fuck wrong.
God.
Dude, he just got
Oh
jumped
my
by
God,
a
I
fucking.
gave blank for a second. What happened?
Oh my god, he's getting raped. He's just got raped.
Dude,
Dude, we need to get the
lead him
defibrillator.
away. Is he still there? He's still...
Dude, get in
He's
there,
not
grab
moving.
it. Come up. You're good. You can pick him up, man. You got this. Revive him! Revive him! You gotta revive him!
Oh yeah, true.
Oh my god.
Wait, how much charge?
Okay,
How much
run!
charge? How much charge?
34.
Go get Padrino. Okay? Go get Padrino.
Why
Oh,
isn't
there's
it
probably not enough.
In front of the
Holy shit! Holy shit! Dude, what?
What is that? Help! 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 Help!
Oh shit! Dude,
What the fuck? Dude, help! Help!
get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get the fuck in!
I'm trying! Open your bitch
Get
ass!
in!